Ray stayed back. That okay, personal news wise, let's just, this is the part of the broadcast where I tell you my personal news. So, Valkyrie stayed behind to do her podcast instead of hanging out with the roomies and like going out with the roomies to, I guess they're like in Hokkaido right now. And since she's been doing content with us, I wanted to, give her some content because she said she wanted to do IRL stream. So like we were supposed to do this flower dressing ceremony, Ikebana, on my stream. We had set it up earlier. And I was like, yo, you should do that. Like you should do the flower arrangement ceremony on your stream instead. So yeah. That's how we set it up. After I got done with my Tenga, after I got done with my Tenga seminar, we headed out to Shinjuku, or was it Shinjuku or Shibuya? I guess it was Shinjuku. Anyway, I should have never played that anyway video. Now it's like, now I'll keep saying anyway and it fucks me up. Sounding more alive today. The longer sleep must have been heavenly. You think I sound more alive today? I feel like I'm dying right now. I feel like I sound less alive today. But here, look at these.
I know, I feel a little bit of guilt.
Why?
Because this was supposed to be your guys' thing.
You're the queen.
Actually, I feel like this is very fitting, right?
I would like to take credit that I gave this stream.
No, Will did first.
It was his.
That was crazy. That was actually crazy. Like I get no fucking respect. I get no goddamn respect in this group, man. It's ridiculous. I'm done. And no goddamn respect. Everybody's just fucking clowning on me. What is happening, dude? I'm busting my goddamn ass 17 fucking hours a day. I'm doing everybody else's fucking streams, okay? After my bitch ass is done doing 6 hours of political commentary, I'm on everybody's stream trying to make content, and all I get is shitted on. Fucking crazy, okay?
Mauricio offered it first. Mauricio offered it first.
Yeah. I did offer first. Yeah. Yeah,
I'm very thankful. Thanks, Mauricio.
This is gonna be awesome.
I hate this dynamic that we've developed.
What? I didn't do anything.
Pay for anything? I pay for everything.
Mark,
I paid for dinner last
get your
night.
hat first.
German Christian Party voted to support with AFD. Get ready for 2030. Nice. Does this make you feel better? Will prove he's not the problem.
And she's like disgusting.
All around Tokyo that I take the worst photos. I have a fucking film degree.
Yeah, you take great
I
photos.
take 300 every fucking time, and you make faces like this. Wait, show them. Look.
What did Aya teach you?
I get blamed. And I want you to see something. I want you to see something. Come here, chat. Come here. Wait, hold on. Look. Are you even trying, Caroline? Are you even fucking trying? What is that? What is that?
Yeah, Trump is opening a concentration camp in Gitmo. I know. This was really funny though. Anyway, on the flower stream, aside from the Tenga, the flower stream was really great. Look at this.
Different style.
Different style?
Yeah.
Not good?
Yeah.
It was amazing.
She said, do something different.
It was amazing. Sensei was not fucking with Caroline's flower making. Okay, low key though, I'm not kidding. This is gonna be self-glazed for sure. Like what I did out there, okay, with the flowers, once Sensei said it's your turn, was unironically insane. Okay? I think I genuinely improved, or at the very least, added a little bit to the art of Ikebana. Okay? That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, very nice.
You're kidding. What do you mean very nice?
Oh, fantastic. Very nice. Thank you. Yeah. You are genius. Yeah.
Bold strategy to make a Mao themed Ikebana in Japan. It's okay. Finn with the amazing camera work. I know. He freaking cooks it. This footage was too perfect not to make him do a fan cam, I fear.
So my head looks... Damn, okay. So...
I think if you just shut up and don't share what you thought of yourself or what people say, is this really true?
Oh, speaking of big head, actually, that's what someone was going to ask you. So, because I have broad shoulders,
Yeah, which is
okay,
perfect.
which is fine.
Let's see, let's
My
put them
head,
down.
so my head looks, damn, okay. So,
Damn, that loop was so good it caught me by surprise. Good loop. Fit check interrupted.
Wow, there's a person working. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Got that shit on.
Show chat your flower arrangement. Okay, where's my I'm sure you guys have I'm sure you guys have the videos, right? From my flower arrangement. I'm sure we took like a photo or something. Anyway, yeah, I popped off a little bit. I tweaked Sensei's style a little bit, and I'm not kidding. He really actually liked it. He shook my hand. It made me very proud. It made me feel very good. This is not a real comment. Do they even act normal? Because all the clips I see are just them being gay. This is just challengers. New Hope Corps just dropped. Why aren't you upset that China has blocked Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram? Because I'm not fucking Chinese. Hello? Because I'm not Chinese. Does it strike you as odd? Do I look Chinese to you? I know I fucking pop off with the red sun in the sky when I sing it. So you must have thought I was Chinese. I'm American.
That you feel are unfair.
I honestly think the more of the age and the kind of
dumbness associated with it.
So do you think people assume
This is from 2019 where I was doing the Greta Thunberg voice.
based on looking at you that you are a certain type of person?
Greta Thunberg is a visco girl, dude. And oop, this is all wrong. I should be back in the school. All the world leaders, how dare you? That makes no that does not jog my memory at all. I have no idea. I don't know what. It's crazy. Same glasses. Yeah. Nothing changed, dude. The only thing changed since then is we stay moneyed up, you know, and not funnied up, right? That doesn't make any sense. Whatever. Okay, we're going to try again. Ain't a damn thing changed except I used to have a desk computer chair, like a racing gaming chair. And now I sit in this fucking ass cheeks chair. Messing my back up. Flubbed it again. I know. Nailed it. Whatever. Shut up. Shut up, stupid. I haven't slept at all. All right. Give me a goddamn break. Give me a fucking break. I can't be on all the goddamn time. Your editors to make a Japan trip highlight reel need to see this. This is Chinese. Isn't this Chinese? Am I crazy? Or is that a Japanese tool? It sounds like in Tokyo. I don't know. That's a shamisen. That's Japanese. Oh, it's Wano. It was in Wano. It's sick. It sounds so dope. Oh my god. Now I want to see more of her. Let's see what this is. I love the one in Wukong too. Like that shit stuck in my head, dude. The headless guy. Dude, oh my god, now I have to hear that as well. God, I love this. Oh my god. Hold on, I gotta make the copy real quick. I'll be back in a second.
I reckon I got an idea why you've come here, my friend.
No.
Hey.
This part sucks. Azan singing voice is so beautiful in this one. Thank you. God, I love music. It turns out I just don't like the Western shit. You know what I'm saying? It turns out what I needed was some what is it called? Shamisen? Yoshida Brothers Kodo. Turns out that's what I needed, chat. Anyway, personal news wise, there's literally no moment that I've spent off. There's just not a moment that I've spent off camera. Okay, as you guys know, yeah, we did the flower arrangement stream, and then immediately after that, we raided into Will, and then went to dinner. We went to dinner at this Kyoto style place, which was pretty good. Had a bunch of decadent meats. After I had a bunch of decadent meats at the Kyoto style restaurant, establishment, eatery, whatever, in Shinjuku, we went back. We went to Team Labs Tokyo. You Tengun? No, I did not. I didn't have time to Tengun, unfortunately. What did we do after Team Labs Tokyo? Literally nothing. I was fucking dying by the end of Team Labs Tokyo. I went back. I passed out, dude. I stopped at a Family Mart on the way to my room. Bought a Tamago Sando again because I'm a growing boy and I've been, spending a lot of time outside walking and shit.